Hey, welcome back to Uncle Harvey's Honey. I was going to do a short video today about moving a hive. It's outside the bear fence, but first I just wanted to start off with saying thank you to all my customers out there. I had a couple people stop by yesterday, a couple groups of people stopped by. Jeff and Rebecca, they bought some honey, and very nice couple and people that came by. Not only, they're just starting to get into beekeeping, so it was more than just selling them honey. It was kind of trying to help them out, get started. Some of the things I do, just really nice to be able to help others out in the beekeeping community, especially people that are local. So thank you to all the customers, and we'll move on with the video here. We're gonna head on up, move this beehive in. I did talk about it in a few videos past, and got to make sure it's inside the bear fence. So that's what we're gonna do today. Let's get after it. Looks to be about 33, 32, around in there. This is the hive we're going to move down in. I talked about it here in a few videos past about this being the swarm that I caught by the school. They called me and they needed to, have someone come and get it because it was right by a school and by a sidewalk and there was kids. So I did go in and get that, and I believe that these came out of a church steeple right near the elementary school, and we're going to get this down in here. So we got to get it from here down into here. First things first, let's shut off the electric fence, or not shut it off, but cut the power. So we're just going to stick it in one of the blank spots down here, and I got the Hive Lifter. Managed to somehow finagle this thing onto the back and just pull it like a trailer. I went real slow to make sure I didn't mess anything up. Some of the tools that we got here today for this job, obviously a ratchet strap, and we got a ratchet strap, and this might seem real simple, but it took me years to figure this out. Just to take a screen, and you can see with all the holes in it that I've used this plenty of times. But I don't know why it took me so long, but basically I would staple a screen to the front, try to lock the bees in, and then every time the screen would rip or tear, or, and I was just always running through different screens. But if you put a nice outside liner of duct tape, make sure it's the good stuff, don't go with the cheap duct tape, but a nice liner around the outside. You can reuse it, you know, till it falls apart. But I've had this for at least 2 or 3 years, but let's go ahead and put this on. I am gonna put this thing on. Just in case. Now, one thing I have learned in the past is even ratchet strapping this thing down, I don't know if it'll happen now or not, but I've had bees just boil out. So the first thing you gotta do is put the screen on the front. There, that'll do. Well, that wasn't too bad. It's pretty cold out today. None of the bees are flying at all. Really don't need this. And the beauty of this is all you got to do now is just pull. And it just comes right out. A lot of dead bees in there, but hopefully we got some still alive. Yeah, I can hear them in there. We're good to go. Hopefully I didn't disturb them too much, but I think I'd rather take my chances with moving them in the winter. Oh, there's a bee flying. Than having them being attacked by a bear. So, the lesser of two evils, but we got her done. This new thing I got, this new veil I got at BS Expo. It's the first time I went there. And Hilco was giving those away, so I thought that was really nice of them. It's a great company. My extractor that I have, I use them, and they've always been very responsive if I ever have any questions or problems with their product. They're on top of it, and there's nothing better than a company that backs up their product. I'm going to sign off here and just keeping you up to date on what we're doing. Not much in the winter. We still got snow on the ground. Bees aren't really flying. I did see one or two of them. But sun's coming up. It's getting warm. I tried to get out here early. Now I did go ahead and I pulled this screen off and scraped out all the dead bees. But maybe if I hold the mic up here, you'll be able to hear. Still alive. Hopefully I didn't disturb them too much and they can settle in their new location. I've been waiting. For when it's cold and they weren't flying, and we had a nice break here and I had some time off of work, so I got it done. It's been a while since they've been flying, and I just didn't want them to stay oriented to that spot outside. Lose some bees. Felt like the right time, and I think we're good to go. I can hear them in there buzzing. They're inside the fence. I feel better about it. Filled in a gap. All in all, pretty good. Thanks for watching, and really appreciate all the support out there from people commenting on the videos, buying honey off me, just, you know, just the general support and feeling part of a community. So I appreciate that. Remember, be kind to your bees, and I'll see you next time.